Say man, hey man, it's your boy Boost Fit checking in with another video. And as I sit here today, man, I'm so motivated because we reached 1,000 watch hours on this channel. If you remember, I was talking about reaching 1,000 watch hours. Guess what? We did it, okay? We was at like 900 and something when I started back posting on this channel. And I ain't gonna lie, it's been a struggle. You know, it's not been as easy as I thought it would be. But I think I found the formula, okay? And once I started making more videos, like that one video I had to go viral for this channel, I think that helped me out a whole lot, okay? So I started talking more about the prison, okay? If you don't know, I worked at a prison, and I've been talking about that, and that has really grown my channel. I've been seeing my subscribers go up. I've been seeing my watch time go up, and I'm enjoying the journey, okay? I started back posting on this channel around December, at the end of December, and I think I posted a video every day this month. So I don't want to burn myself out, but, you know, I'm just doing what I got to do, man. You know what I'm saying? And everything will work itself out. You know, I see some people saying YouTube is easy, and I agree it can be easy, you know what I'm saying? But it's not as easy as people make it seem. You know, it's a lot of YouTubers out there that's trying to make it seem real easy. It's not that easy, okay? And to be honest, I think you guys can make it easy. You know, don't give up. You know, keep posting your videos. It's somebody out there that want to see your content, so you can't just quit posting your content. You have to keep posting that content. And, you know, with this video, I'm just trying to motivate somebody, because I know at the end of the day, we all need that motivation, okay? Because, you know, I thought about not posting on this channel anymore. I went through that phase, you know what I'm saying? And I have 2 other channels monetized, so that kind of motivate me to keep posting, because I know I make money on those channels, and I know the power of YouTube, okay? When everything else leave, I don't think YouTube is going nowhere. So as far as like a long-term thing, man, YouTube is the way to go. But don't leave your job because you want to post on YouTube. Keep your job and post on YouTube on the side, okay? Talk about your job every day and how it's going at your job, and do things like that. But don't leave your job saying you're going to be a YouTuber, you know what I'm saying? If you're young, you probably can get away with it. But, you know, if you're older, you got bills and you got things you got to take care of, man, don't leave your job for YouTube. Unless you just then blew up on YouTube and you can afford to leave your job. That's a different story, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, this video is to just talk about what I have like relearned about YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I've been paying attention to my analytics, and a lot of the videos that have been getting views for me, they're not coming from YouTube search. They're coming from YouTube recommendations. So YouTube is recommending my videos, and I got a small channel, but when I look at my analytics, it's showing me that the views are coming from recommendations, and that's kind of different. You know, I didn't expect that, because my channel is not big. So when people say YouTube is helping small creators, I'm assuming, you know, that's what they're talking about, because when I say it's helping small creators, that's what I'm talking about, because you can get your videos recommended now. You know, there was a time on YouTube where the small channels, they just got pushed to the bottom. You couldn't find a small channel on YouTube. Now, when you look on YouTube, you see a lot of small channels getting more views. You know what I'm saying? So that is a good thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, you want to be in that loop. You know what I'm saying? You want your videos pushed out there so more people can see them. But once you find out what YouTube wants you to post for your particular channel, stick to it, okay? Because a lot of times we just be trying stuff, throwing stuff against the wall, see what it stick. But when YouTube talk, you need to listen, okay? And YouTube told me about my channel, like, hey, talk about the prison, talk about inmates, talk about how they work out, talk about what they eat, talk about some tips for correctional officers. And guess what? I've been doing that. Even though I started my channel being fitness, but that's kind of, you know, kind of the same thing. You know, I could talk about the fitness in prison, you know, and I could talk about regular fitness, you know what I'm saying? So, and I won't get too far away from what I really started this channel to do. Now, I wish I would have I wish I would have been talking about the prison when I was working at the prison. That would have been super, super good for my channel. But, you know, I didn't think, you know, you could get on there and do all that stuff. But I see people that work at the prison now, and they doing the channel and talking about it while they working there. You know what I'm saying? So I wish I would have took advantage of it then. My channel would be super big now, you know, if I would have did that. But, you know, I don't question God. I just move how I move and keep it moving. You feel what I'm saying? So I just wanted to stop by and, you know, just give you some motivation and give you some updates at the same time. Now, I have 3,000 more hours to go to hit 4K. That's going to be hard. But then again, I don't think so, because I think I could go viral again, or semi-viral. You know what I'm saying? Now, if I give me a viral video, oh, it's going through the roof. You know what I'm saying? Because the video that I got now that I'm talking about inmates getting jacked in prison, it's almost at like 2,000 views, you know, and I got like maybe 100 something watch hours on that video. So it's possible, you know what I'm saying? Just find the right topic and stick to it. Double down on it, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you see something that worked, man, go do it again, okay? Do it again, see if it works again. You know what I'm saying? Kind of use the similar titles or whatever, and just, you know, just make more content about it. You know what I'm saying? So I got a few videos that I have published that talks about the prison and tips for correctional officers. And I'm going to try some story time stuff. I had a video where I was talking about seeing an ex-NFL player while I worked at the prison. And I seen a famous rapper while I worked at the prison. And I seen another person that I talk about in another video. But man, I got a lot of stories to tell about that prison. I got a lot of stuff I can talk about, you know, as it comes to my mind. And I really want to help the new correctional officers at the same time too, because, you know, I think I can talk more about that because I actually worked there and I learned a whole lot by being there. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to always motivate you guys to want to keep posting on YouTube, because YouTube can be a beautiful thing. You know, if you get to the point to where you're monetized and you're making money on YouTube, YouTube can really change your life. I agree with a lot of the content creators that say YouTube can change your life, because it really can. And you just have to stick to it, man. It's not easy, but it's not that hard either at the same time. So find what content works for your channel, okay? Don't try to be like your favorite YouTuber, okay? You have to go through your analytics, man. Find a video that work for your channel and recreate them. You know, try to make those videos over, just word a little bit different. You know what I'm saying? If you got something you can talk about, if you're a certain age and you got a lot of wisdom, you can get on there, you can talk about this stuff, because a lot of people have that wisdom and they can talk for days. You know what I'm saying? Talking about different things that younger people can learn from. You know what I'm saying? And it's our job as older people. I'm not that old, but, you know, I'm older and I done been through some things. So that's why I talk about the prison a lot, because I done been through some things that I wouldn't want another correctional officer to go through. So I can talk about that in depth, because that's where I work, and I learned the most by working there. And that was really the only job that I had. I had one more job, but it was like fresh out of high school. So I really can't talk too much about that, but I can talk about my time at the prison. I worked at the state prison and the federal prison. I learned a lot. So I want to talk more about that stuff, because that is what's helping my channel. So find out what works on your channel and stick to it, man. Don't deviate from it. And if you feel like it's not working as good as you think it should work, then find something else. And then once you find something that really stick and that your audience want to see, you have to keep making videos about that stuff, okay? If it don't work, try something else, okay? But if you have any kind of special skill, man, you want to talk about your special skill, you want to do your special skill on your channel, because that's something you can talk about all the time. I could talk about prison all day, every day. That's what I did. I played football. I can talk about sports all day too. So that's what I might start doing, you know, talk about my time playing football and basketball and baseball. And I ran track. I can talk about that stuff too, you know. So I may just talk about that, because I can talk a lot about that. So find what work, man. Keep pushing. Like I said, we have 1K watch hours, man. Let's try to get this channel monetized. 3,000 watch hours to go. Charge!